It's Keisha and welcome back to another video. As you saw in the beginning clips, I just got my hair braided. That was actually a few days ago. I just hadn't filmed this intro and I haven't done anything else yet. This looks so cute. This isn't even the color I had intended to get. I wanted to get like a mix of two, I think 230 and 27. And they didn't have that in stock because I went to this place called Amy's African Braiding in Columbus, Ohio, and they provide the hair. So they had this mix of 427 and 613, and that is what I got, and I love it. I got small knotless, and oh, it's like, sorry, I'm using a new camera and I actually have no idea how to zoom out. But it's like, it's all the way down to my butt and it looks so pretty. It's so nice, and it was only $200. I was like, yeah, I will definitely be going back there. That was my first time going there, but I love my hair and I'm getting my hair braided because I'm going to Aruba. It is my 29th birthday. It was actually my 29th birthday on Mother's Day, May 11th, and today is the 13th. So I am having a trip with just 4 of my girlfriends. We're going to Aruba. I'm so excited, but we got a lot of stuff to get done. Okay, I got the hair out of the way. That's the biggest thing. I feel like I am going to be doing my nails. I'm going to be I'm going to be giving myself a pedicure. And oh, I also have to wax my underarms. And then I also have a Brazilian wax that I booked for this Thursday. This is a mostly DIY maintenance, you know, vacation prep type of thing. The only things that I had to get done are the braids because Lord knows I couldn't do this myself, and then the Brazilian wax because I actually have given myself a Brazilian wax before. Never again. I will never do that to myself again. So I booked my Brazilian wax, but before that, I'm going to be doing my own Gel X nails. I do my own pedicures. I use polygel on my toes. And it lasts like so long. I actually have polygel on my toes right now, so I really don't even have to do too much. I just want to like file off the color and put a new color on. And then like I said, I have to wax my underarms because I do wax my own underarms because I'm not paying $15-20 when I can do it myself in like 3 minutes. And then also, oh, I want to do some lash clusters. So that is what we're doing in this maintenance vlog, and we will be done. We will be on our way to Aruba. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm 29. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm 22. But anyways, let's get these nails together. So I am going to be doing a little voiceover for this part. It's not going to be too long because this isn't really a nail video, but I'm using BT Art Box nail tips. I picked out the pink ones, and if you can see, I do have like a little dot of blood on my finger. I went a little too rough with the cuticle care, but you know, I gotta make it do what it do. So I'm just sizing my nails right now, just making sure I have everything to the right finger, and then I'm buffing my natural nails just so it has like a nice base to stick to. And then I am going to prep using some dehydrator. Then I go in with primer, and then I'm going to be using some base gel for a little base coat. And yes, I'm going right over this blood spot, y'all. Like, I cleaned it as well as it can, and it's literally just like a spot now. So yes, I'm putting nails over this. And then I'm going to cure the base coat for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna put my nails on. I put gel on the nail tips, and then I just stick it on, and I cure it under like a little UV lamp for a couple seconds just to make sure it's dry and everything's like placed well. And I really take my time with this when I'm doing my nails, honestly. When I do my nails, I just turn on the TV, sit back, and get to work. It takes me like 2.5 hours, to be honest. Maybe 2 hours. I've actually gotten a lot quicker with them. But I just don't like going to the nail shop. I don't like sitting at the nail shop for 2 hours, like not being able to just be home. It's just not a relaxing experience for me. So I like doing my nails myself at home. I can just watch TV. I can get food if I want to. Like, I can just do whatever. And then once all the nails are on, I'm putting on a top coat, which I'm going to cure for 30 seconds because I'm going to put some chrome on top of it. So I don't want this to cure all the way because you want the top coat to still be a little tacky so the chrome powder can actually stick to something. And then I'm just using this, it's like a champagne color. You know, it's not exactly white. It's not clear. It's just like, it has a little bit of a yellow tint. So it's really pretty, but I do regret using it on these nail tips because I just feel like the colors didn't go together. But anyways, after I put on all the chrome powder, I'm going to take some more top coat, put that over the chrome, and then I'm going to cure that completely so that everything is cured and, you know, nothing's coming off. I want these nails to last and look really good. And that's really it. Hey y'all, it is now Wednesday. I'm really running behind on everything. It's like about to be 7 p.m. already and I've done nothing today. I took a nap around 2 p.m. ended up waking up after 6. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. But oh, did I show you guys my nails yesterday? This is what they're looking like. I don't love them, but I just wanted to do like a pink for my birthday. Pink's my favorite color. And I did this like chrome on top. And they're cute. I just don't like the base color. So next time I buy some BT Art Box nails, I'm gonna buy a different base color because I love the pink tips, the pink French tip, but I just don't love the base color. But I do like the chrome and they came out cute. So I'm about to do my lashes right now. I have some lashes from Amazon, and then I have my glue and my bond from Lilac Street. And yeah, also I have the wax heating up in the bathroom, so as soon as I finish my lashes, gonna get these underarms together. I want something kind of dramatic, or not kind of, I want something like, is that too big? I feel like that's too big for me. I don't want something that dramatic. Okay, I think I like that one. These Amazon lashes aren't numbered, by the way, so I don't have a lash map to give you. I'm just about to do what it do. I need a mirror. I'm like looking at myself in the viewfinder. That is not gonna work. Right, got my mirror off to the side here. And about to get these lashes going.
And enjoy the sounds of Arista recording artist Kenny Lattimore.
I hate how my natural lashes, sorry, I'm watching the Parkers in the background. I hate how my natural lashes curve like inward And I don't know how, whatever. I ain't got time.
She's gone off the deep end. Oh, please, she slipped dip through the. Oh, I don't have a problem, but I do. I do have a problem.
Okay, period. Those are so cute.
She's thick, but nimble.
Okay, now I'm taking the bond.
See, I suspected Arnold, Sly, J-Lo, even the president from Dangerous Cycle. And it sounds to me like this Miss Parker is just another one of your garden variety coops.
Don't underestimate her.
Believe me, she won't be a problem.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
No, you don't understand.
Oh, yes, I do. Just come forward.
Wait a minute, that's not me.
Man, don't make this any harder. Put my foot.
And I'm just gonna take my eyelash curler and like
Yeah, you're right.
press them together.
All it was a whole week's pay.
Lamar! I demand us.
You should see a doctor.
Okay. Cute. All right, y'all. I'm about to wax my underarms. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's get it together. Got my wax pots. My wax warmed up. And I think I'm about to clean them just a little bit.
Well, you say Steve. I say recruit. And I would love to recruit this young lady right here.
Okay. Ooh. That was a good one. Hey y'all, I know I suck at vlogging. I've been just forgetting about everything, but did I even show y'all what my nails look like? I think I did show you them. Wow. girl. Anyways, so lashes are done. I ended up not waxing my eyebrows because I'm trying to grow them in right now, so they look fine for what I need them to be. Like, I can fill them in just fine. So nails are done. I just got my wax. That hurt a little bit, but it's all bare down there. Swimsuit ready. I am packing. I got a bunch of stuff on the floor. I still got to put my nail stuff away. And then that's really it. Yeah, I'm pretty much done packing. Oh, wow. I actually kind of have been prepared. I've been stressed just because my room's a mess and I have hella makeup brushes to clean. I do need to do that for sure. And I'm doing laundry right now if you hear that going in the background. But yeah, everything's for the most part pretty much done. My flight leaves tomorrow like 8:40 p.m. so I am gonna do a UPS return or an Amazon return at UPS and then a Shein return at the post office. But yeah, for the most part everything's packed. All my clothes and swimsuits are packed. I just gotta get some extra t-shirts, some shorts, you know, just to like wear around the Airbnb, you know, just to be comfortable. But yeah, I'm sorry I suck at vlogging. This is like only my second vlog ever, but I will be vlogging the Aruba trip, so hopefully that comes out nice. I want y'all to see like all the fun things we do, me hanging out with my girls, the Airbnb, the excursions, all the restaurants. Like, I want to vlog everything and like have it be an experience. And also I just want to have the footage just for like my own personal use, just like to relive my own memories. So that's also why I want to vlog. But if I'm vlogging, you know, I want to make it fun. So I'm gonna practice on the trip, I guess, try and get better at vlogging. But this is going to be the outro to this DIY vacation maintenance prep video, whatever I'm gonna call it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm sorry if this sucks. I haven't edited any of the footage yet, so I don't even know what it's looking like. I don't even know if I filmed everything. I feel like there's something I forgot to film, probably knowing me. But yeah, hopefully I get better at this. We'll see. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And hopefully I get better at vlogging. It's not gonna be like an everyday thing. Probably just gonna be doing it for vacation or if I'm actually doing something interesting that I feel like people might want to see. But thank you again so much for watching if you watched this whole video. And I would love for you to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
I walk like this, I walk like this. I just in the video, I don't edit my pics. I work for it, I'm on my and when I'm walking by, I know the truth is